So, hi people, welcome to Doom Repairs. Today a new video. This time something really simple. This is iPhone 10. Today we're gonna replace the battery and we are also gonna replace a cracked camera lens on the back. So this should be a easy fix. Everybody could do it. So let's jump to it. So the first things first, you should take a cable and check if your phone is charging before replacing battery. You see the phone is charging both ways. So this is actually my old phone, so this is just for demonstrating purposes. So I'm gonna shut it off. The camera has no dust inside because it's only cracked a bit. You see here, only a bit, but I want to sell the phone, so I'm gonna replace it. So what we are gonna do, we take out the pendulum screws. So this should go easy because this phone was already opened, so it's gonna be straightforward. Yep. So I'm gonna use microscope to clean the lens, to clean the camera lens glass off. So after going inside, I'm gonna use 3-point screwdriver. So 3-point screwdriver, I'm gonna remove 5 screws that are covering all connectors. So just like that, I'm gonna take a spatula, remove the cover, unhook the battery first. So display cables, front flex. On front flex there is a bit of sticky glue on the flex. Just pour a tiny bit of isopropyl alcohol. So then from the display I'm gonna remove the glue. I'm gonna put display aside. Now first things first, I'm gonna put some isopropyl alcohol on the battery. So just wait a tiny bit, like 10-15 seconds before prying up the battery, because there are some, look, it's easy peasy. So battery is out. This is the old battery. Let's remove excess isopropyl alcohol. So without too much risk, I'm gonna remove front camera assembly because I don't want to damage Face ID. So front camera assembly is away. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, so this is the only way you won't risk getting some scratches or worse, getting some dust on your camera. So the best possible way if you doing this job properly is actually to remove the whole camera. So there is a small bracket holding the camera. After removing the bracket, there are 2 connectors because there are 2 cameras. And then I'm just gonna pry up camera a bit, put this aside. So camera is out. So now we're gonna go under the microscope and I'm gonna take out old lens and put in a new one. So let's go there. If you buy replacement lens on the internet, usually you're gonna end up with a lens that comes with a sticker. So you put double-sided tape on the frame, then you glue the lens. It doesn't work. I'm totally against it, to be honest with you. So let's just buff out the rest. I'm totally against it because it simply doesn't work. We take a new blade. I had too many people coming to me after replacing the lens and saying, look, lens fell out, now I got dust inside. Then you have to change the lens and the camera, so you're looking at the double expenses. So if you want to do it, just do it properly from get-go. So here, just cut it. So I see a tiny mark on the lens, but it's from the inside, so we're gonna clean it while assembling it. So this is it, the new lens. So let's go back. Let's turn around the phone. Now let's grab back tweezer. Now I'm gonna clean the glue all around the phone because there is some glass on the glue, and we are gonna replace it anyway, so it's gonna be fresh and new. So let's blow out. Buff out that lens from the inside. Just like that. So the camera is back, nice and clean, no dust. So that was my air compressor. It should be a silent one. It's not that silent. So put back the bracket. So bracket is held by 2 screws. So after putting back the screws, let's put back front camera assembly. So dot projector, front camera, infrared camera. Take a cotton swab, clean the dot projector, clean the front camera. So you can clean these before you plug in the new battery. That's the important thing. If you have any power on the board and you press it in, you're gonna destroy it. I need a new spatula. Just gonna grab it. So on new batteries, I like to roll a bit on the stickers behind so I can peel them off more easily. So first things first, I'm gonna plug in the battery. Place it inside, so the flex cable is gonna be in the right place. So that's a new battery, press it in, nice and snug. So after that we get a new sticker or the display seal, whatever you call it. Just don't call it waterproof seal, because it isn't. So put it on, roll it with the spudger. Take this new seal. So let's blow off any dust. This, let's blow off the screen. So now front flex connected, display connected, and press it down, spudger a bit. Now battery connected. Let's put back this thing. Put back the screws in the right order. Don't mix up the order. Okay. This anchor point broke off. No worries. Happens. It's not the best place because it's near battery connector. But I don't want to mess around with soldering it on. Be just too dangerous. So putting back the screen, first put the top in, then see if the display is okay, then bottom part. Okay. For the end we have envelope screws. Put them in. So after that, take a cable. So let's see. So it's charging. You see the Apple logo. Just connect this display a bit. So it's charging with 2 amps. That's really good. So it means it's getting some power. So around 10 watts. Yeah, it's got around 60%, so it's good. This is my code. See, this is my phone. Battery showing 100%. So we got new battery. Let us check the camera. So camera is nice. No dust particles, nothing. So it's focusing. Yeah. So let's check the Face ID, if the Face ID is working. Yes. So nice. So this is a nice and easy fix to get your phone back and running, or if you want to sell it, it's easier to get it a bit repaired so you can get much more money for it. Yeah, this is a nice and simple fix. Yeah, hope you guys find this video helpful. If you got some questions, you can ask me in the comments. I'm gonna try to reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you one more time. Leave a like if you liked the video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.